Sinh ra bọn chúng nó vô mong à cái xa nó hơi lâu chẳng mà có.
Okay, so very excited to be here today. Wonderful to see all of your faces here.
Chúng tôi đi khơi bây giờ yong bia vui lôi ra chơi về đi cả gì chơi cả khơi mía anh nuôi nhà cô pomo sẽ win ra là bu bây giờ tôi giờ phần đi mua xoay gì cô pomo như mà là gì bu bây giờ nó chơi mà bây giờ xem nhau phổ thông là bu đấy bây giờ anh nuôi nhà là khơi đi bây giờ đủ ra alo bu ye agent bu cô lấy pin này tôi giao một lô phí bảo đấy.
Saluno, saluno, salut.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, thank you. Is this Mao?
Sinh ra đó.
I wrote the names wrong then. Okay.
Mau nhau ấy không à ta?
Ang Marnou participe à la rencontre annuelle du Congrès des étudiants et jeunesse de Birmanie, une organisation qui accueille des groupes de jeunesse ethnique, d'anciens étudiants devenus soldats et l'aile jeunesse de la Ligue nationale pour la démocratie, le parti d'Aung San Suu Kyi. Ang Marnou représente les jeunes originaires de l'Arakan, une province à l'ouest de la Birmanie, aux frontières de l'Inde. Tous ensemble, ils cherchent une voie pour amener la démocratie dans leur pays, mais aussi aident ceux qui en partent et arrivent ici.
Cô ăn này xả rồi xả đấy không năm được nhớ luôn nhất là tham rồi đúng rồi này mà phải bao giờ quạt đo hay cả là được rồi vậy nhớ tôi biết ta này mà đồng cái này cũng à ao này này là tham mà phiền hàng thế là rồi cái phái mà nghe nhà vi ta xịt rồi anh đủ kho là tức mà nghe em chỉ tức của nghe người rồi thì拿给kho là
ตัวที่อยู่ตัวอีกน้องว่าว่ะ
လောက်ချမ်းတာငင်းနေတဲ့လူရှိဘူးငင်းနေတဲ့ဆိုရင်ဗုဒ္ဓဘာသာအရာတွေဟဲ့လာလို့ဘာလို့လာမှာလဲရှိရောမှာသိလားအဲ့လိုဖြစ်ဖို့ကြတယ်ဒီအခုခေတ်ဒီမှာမလွယ်ဘူးလေသူတို့ကိုယ်တိုင်တော့ငင်းနေစောက်နေတာကိုယ်တိုင်ရောဘလောက်ညပေါ်မှာမြစ်တာခိုင်းတယ်
Au XXe siècle, les changements dans la société birmane sont venus par les révoltes étudiantes. Au début de l'année 1988, un mouvement pacifique demande des réformes démocratiques au général Ne Win. La population, de plus en plus nombreuse, se joint aux étudiants au cours des rassemblements. En août, 3000 personnes sont tuées dans la rue. Beaucoup d'étudiants fuient dans la jungle à la frontière thaïlandaise. Là, ils forment des bataillons avec l'aide de l'Union nationale Karen et combattent avec eux contre l'armée birmane. L'organisation des jeunes exilés arakanais se bat contre un projet d'exploitation gazière dans leur province natale, sans bénéfice aucun pour les populations locales. Ang Marnou est un des responsables de leur campagne de communication.
suddenly land have been confiscated for the military, for the forbidding of the barrack for the military, and then some restrictions. There is no freedom of movement, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly. Soldiers are everywhere. Some forces have been used for the construction of the road and then to clear the gas pipeline route. If the gas pipeline would be finished, it might cause a lot of environmental destructions to the wildlife.
Après une première route du gazoduc vers l'Inde, la Chine a signé avec la junte birmane un accord pour la construction d'un autre qui traversera le pays d'est en ouest. Matthew est volontaire pour aider le groupe à l'écriture d'un rapport sur la construction de ces gazoducs.
There is a website called, I've forgotten what it's called, but it lists countries in order on maybe 50 things. Like, what is the richest, what is the poorest, who has the most corruption?
Yeah,
you know this?
I think so.
Right. So, in terms of refugees, there'll be a rank.
It's just one source. How many sources do you need? Let's see, it's one source. Maybe you can.
If it is a good source, then one source is okay. Yeah. I think if the source is good, yeah. Okay. So by lunchtime, how many refugees leave Burma? Yeah. Yeah.
La qualité de l'éducation est si mauvaise et si partiale en Birmanie que les jeunes Arakanais font appel à des personnes extérieures pour se former.
The trainings mainly focus on capacity building of our members, especially civil society, human rights, office management. You can see their knowledge, their experience, because there are a lot of Arakanese migrant workers.
He sounds very interesting. He makes many jokes.
Yeah.
But he said he used to be on the Central Executive Committee of the Communist organisation, and now he is in the Federal Trade Organisation. This is interesting. I wish I could. I would like many things I could speak to him about.
She is the founder of BRC, Burma Relief Center.
Okay.
Yeah, the founder of.
This is a big organisation.
Yes, very big. Yeah, most of the Burmese political organization founded that. NGO.
Now, two parents in Gapano, two parents in Gapano, you never need a Bola, hello, Bola. Yeah, hello, Tiamequa. Hello, Mati, the rock Pisa, for the Pisa Canada Lane. Oh, the God, the Pisa Queen, Jada, Pisa Queen, the Canada Rock. I was a thing, Yanni, or a shit or the they don't leave it. Hold, well, really, you are developed your life. Pisa Gaya, no, the town, no other, the near is I wrote, the bone out of rule of your life. People, yeah. Visit treated with a look at everybody. What am I going to see you? Eh, I'm not going to see you now. But they were Ballo, while Vendor they do you. I don't. Tola is no other. How will I? I don't know other.
Les prémices de la révolution de 88 avaient pour origine une forte augmentation des denrées de base et le retrait de la circulation du jour au lendemain et sans compensation aucune des billets de 45 et 90 kyats par le général Ne Win.